Good morning and welcome to another vlog. And for this video, I'm going to show you the second project IJ that I just finished. This is the hard top version. Okay, as you can see, the roof is complete, but it still has the roll cage inside. So I'm going to show you the specs. We put a Desert Lizard shocks, 90 mm at the front and 90 mm at the back, and then winch from AliExpress. You can also open the hood, wherein you can put the battery. So the servo is here, then the switch. Headlights with angel eyes. Then the hook for the winch. Then our 2.2 TE37 inspired rims with BF Goodrich tires, 2.2 as well. Action figure. Can also open the doors. This has magnets, so this is the screw, then the magnet is here, so it can close properly. Then this is based on a eggshell base camp kit with Hobbywing 2300 kb motor, brushless. See the beauty of this one. If you are interested in making a 3D RC car 1:10, you can go to umagine.com. Then you can search the Project IJ there. Look at this beauty. This is the Project IJ. You can customize the hood, you can customize the door, you can customize the roof. You can go to half door, full half door, full door, half roof, full roof. Different hoods and different steps, different interior. You can customize it all. You can just go to the umagine.com. Our remote is a FlySky GT5. See, I'm always using this remote. It's very versatile. You can see that. This is based on an eggshell kit, base camp kit, straight axles, movable side mirrors and everything. It's a very capable rig. So thank you, and that's our video for today.